once again.
Hello again, it's Jimmy here at O'Reilly's and we are servicing this Nissan Qashqai today. First thing we're going to do is get inside and we'll run the engine for a minute, get the oil warmed up. So here's the engine that we're looking at. Obviously I've just turned up, didn't do any research on this engine, but already I can see this is going to be a bit of a pain because we have to remove the inlet manifold to do the spark plugs. So I think we'll start with getting the inlet pipe here off. And then the other side over here. Now we're going to remove this clip here. Now we can pull this off. So here we're going to open the four 8mm bolts on the throttle body there. So just here on the back we've got a little 10mm bolt that I'm going to open here, just to get this out of the way. So here all along the intake manifold, just on each port there you have a 10mm bolt. I'm just going to take them all out here. So I've already loosened them with the ratchet there, now I'm just pulling them out with the magnet stick. So now this manifold is ready for me to pick up and just pull out. It's all undone. Except these two little tubes here, we just need to disconnect those now. So that's it, she's all out. With this being a petrol engine, you can actually see the difference of how clean the valves are inside the engine. You can see there directly inside. A little bit of dirt there, but it's surprisingly clean really, compared to what I'm used to seeing. Mainly see a lot of diesels. Just down inside the engine now, we have the spark plugs down there, and we shall get them removed. So with these spark plugs being recessed a lot, an ordinary spark plug like this doesn't really go down there, so what you need is something like this one. This is a long reach slimline. It's a special spark plug socket, 14mm. That will fit down there. Now we're just going to get them open. With spark plugs, I think it's important not to use any electrical impact tools, because you can shatter the ceramic. we are. One spark plug out. That's two. Oh, seems to have left that one in there somewhere. There we are, three. And that is number four. So we've got a set of these to put in. They're laser iridium spark plugs, and they're good for 60,000 miles, these ones. So we'll get these put in. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Just tighten them in by hand.